Let's get away for a little while now.
Swiss snowboard star and musician Pat Berginer is planning to shine off-piste after the Beijing 2022 Olympic Winter Games. He shared with Xinhua his dream of embarking on a music tour around China, following the mega sporting event. Berginer, a two-time snowboard Olympian, finished 11th in the men's halfpipe final run on Friday. He expressed his satisfaction with the organization of the Games.
I loved it, to be honest. I was really surprised by the organization, how well it went. People are so nice and amazing, and really, I just have so much fun. It's good. The pipe is one of the best in the world, and no wind this year, so it's really cool. They built a wall to stop the wind, and it's great. Just a little bit cold for us if we're not that used to it, but it's doable. Get used to it.
Berginer said he will leave China on Sunday to return to Switzerland, with positive memories that will last for a lifetime.
I've always, balanced between all of them. Now, as I said, 11 months I got injured, so I've worked so hard to get back. And I'm recording an album still. I've released the first single, which is going really well. Even in China, I think people are listening to it now. They love it. I get so many messages every single day.
Besides snowboarding, Berginer has pursued a parallel career in music since 2014. The 27-year-old musician and snowboarder said nothing could spoil his mood as he has already had several creative projects in store.
I definitely see a potential, future in China, since I never thought it'd be possible before, and because it's such a big market. But since the Olympics, I was so impressed. I feel like Chinese people are really nice, and I think China could be great, and that's why first thing that came up my mind was I need to do a tour in China.
Berginer joined Switzerland's national team at the age of 14, and landed the world's first switch backside triple cork 1440 in 2011. He competed for the Swiss team in the men's halfpipe in the 2018 Olympic Winter Games in Pyeongchang, where he finished 5th overall.
Voila.